This is week 9 hands-on fraction activity, and the activity I chose was paper plate flower activity. The paper plate flower activity is an easy way to teach student fractions. What the teacher would provide are the plates and markers, and all the student would have to do is create their fractions by dividing up the plate into 1/2, 1/4, or 1/3. Typically, this activity would be used for younger grade levels because this activity may be too simple, easy, or even boring for higher grade levels, but can be used for any. The math concept that would be taught through the paper plate flower activity is fraction size is relative. Students will understand that fractions tells the relationship between the part and the whole. This activity gives them a visual representation of the different sizes of fractions. For example, they'll see the difference between the sizes between other fractions, which can be seen on the image off to the right, how 1/2 is obviously bigger than 1/3 and 1/4. Not to mention that this activity would also help with comparing, combining, and computing fractions all at once.